How to add a blurred background in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and import at least 2 clips. Now, place the clip you want to use as the blurred background in video track 1 and the main clip just above it in video track 2. Then, go to the color tab at the bottom of the interface and select the clip that you want to blur. Next, in the nodes panel, right-click and add a serial node. Now, use the window tool and select the shape to mask your subject. You can choose a circle or a square depending on what fits best. Once you select it, increase the size and adjust the position to properly cover the subject. Then, go to the effects panel on the top right and choose the blur option. I'll use Gaussian Blur. Drag and drop it onto your node. After that, you'll find the blur strength setting. Increase the strength until the background looks smooth and soft. Now, go to the Edit tab and use the Inspector panel to zoom out the clip in video track 1 to reveal the blurred background behind your subject. Once you have done that, play the clip to see the blurred background effect. You can also use the Inspector panel to adjust the zoom, position, and other settings if needed. And that's it. Now you know how to add a blurred background in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.